You're so close. Doing some downward dog. Benj, you got to learn how to move your arms. You're so close. One more downward dog and you got it. Good job, Boo. You can do it. You got it. Yeah. Good job, buddy. You skipped it. What's that? What's that? Good job, Boo.